Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. This is from 2013 Singapore Math Olympiad. So here's the question. Given that x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0, wherein x is a complex number, then find the value of x raised to 49 plus x raised to 50 plus x raised to 51 plus x raised to 52 plus x raised to 53. Now, if you want to try this problem, just pause this video. And I hope you pause this video. Now, let's answer this question together. Now, our goal here is to find the value, the numerical value of x raised to 49 plus x raised to 50 plus x raised to 51 plus x raised to 52 plus x raised to 53. There are many ways to answer this question, and this is one of them. First, let's focus on these two terms. We have x raised to 49 plus x raised to 50. So what we're going to do is to factor out x raised to 49. If we do that, we get x raised to 49 multiplied by 1 plus x. Now, let's focus on these two terms. We have x raised to 52 plus x raised to 53. At this point, let's factor out x raised to 52. If we do that, we get x raised to 52 multiplied by 1 plus x. Now the question is, what is the value of 1 plus x? Now let's have our given equation right here, that x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. Now take note that we have here x plus 1, and this is the same thing as 1 plus x. And the value of 1 plus x, or x plus 1, is negative x squared. Therefore, this 1 plus x is the same thing as negative x squared. Also, this 1 plus x, or x plus 1, is just negative x squared. Now, x raised to 49 times negative x squared will give us negative x raised to 51. And x raised to 52 multiplied by negative x squared will give us negative x raised to 54. Now take note that we have here negative x raised to 51 and positive x raised to 51. So this is just 0. Therefore, we have negative x raised to 54. Now the question is, how are we going to find the value of negative x raised to 54? Now let's get the given equation again. We have x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. Now if we plug in 1 in this equation, definitely this is not equivalent to 0. Meaning, 1 is not a root of this equation. So what we're going to do to this equation is to multiply both sides by x minus 1. Why we do that? Because we know for sure that x is not equal to 1. So given this original equation. Now notice the left hand side of our equation. We have x minus 1 multiplied by x squared plus x plus 1. This is familiar because this is a special product and it is equivalent to x cubed minus 1. And we know the right hand side is just 0. So we have x cubed minus 1 equals 0. Now add 1 on both sides, we get that x cubed equals 1. Now raise both sides by 18. And the left hand side of our equation becomes x raised to 54. Therefore, the value of x raised to 54 is just 1. It follows that this x raised to 54 is just 1. Therefore, the value of our expression is just negative 1. Thus, if we have x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0, wherein x is a complex number, then the value of x raised to 49 plus x raised to 50 plus x raised to 51 plus x raised to 52 plus x raised to 53 is just negative 1. And as always, we are done.